Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia 7 Plus, and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. So before we start, you will need a little SIM eject tool, as I have one right here, or you can just use a paper clip and it should just work fine. So once you have that ready, you can begin by ejecting the SIM tray, which is located on the left side, right here. There's a tiny little hole where you get to put the tool in and push out the tray, as you can see. And then you can take the SD card and put it in here. It's the one closer to the edge. As you can see, like so. And an SD card with the cutout on the bottom right corner, as you can see right here. And also, if I'm not mistaken, there is an option to have another SIM instead of an SD card, so we'll just put it the same way, like this. But for this case, I'm just gonna use a memory card. So once it's laying in here flush, secure it so it doesn't fall out and slide it back in to the phone, like so. And now if I unlock the device, you can see that SD card is being read, and there's the SIM too. So let's see what. So as you can see, both of them are working, and that is basically how you would insert them. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.